What's up, you guys? This is a unboxing review of the Gaiatop desktop fan. The one that I'm going to show you here today is going to be the black and purple, but they do have other color options that you can choose from. Once you open this, you are going to see that you are going to get that simple USB cord for easy access charging. What I like about this fan too that you are going to notice is that you are going to see the battery life on the very front of the screen of this fan, which comes in handy so you know when you need to plug it in and charge it. So this size of fan is pretty compact and small. It is going to be ultra quiet, like a library kind of background noise. You can use it while you're working, filming, sleeping, whatever it is. Going to have that loud, annoying hum that everyone always hates with a fan. The airflow on this is going to be super powerful. This is a dual stage turbo system. It's going to push up to 5.2 meters per second of smooth airflow. I will show you what it sounds like. This is going to have 5 speeds that are all going to be able to change from the front of the screen. It's LED touch control, so you can long press to turn it on and tap to go through the different levels. Battery life is going to be about 10 hours depending on the speed that you are using this with, but overall of this though, because this is compact, small, you can bring it with you anywhere, put it anywhere, whether it's your office, your dorm, apartment, whatever it is, and it's still going to be super powerful and give you the airflow that you are looking for.